Hey, did you know that they have motocross here in Dumaguete City? Me either. Let's check it out. That's a lot of dust.
Okay, second set. Rider, proceed now to starting gate.
These guys are ripping around this track. It is awesome. Who would have thought they'd have had this like 5 minutes from the house? Crazy. Got a little fan right here. The guy in the #1 spot is really getting it. He is going. He's got a pretty sizable lead, probably about 30 meters or so. We got a kid just, he's helping out on the track there. Looks like we got one guy that's stalled out or something like that. Yeah. Got a white flag. So that's what we're doing today here in Sibulan. It's awesome.